Here I am riding one of my favorite non-coaster rides at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. We in the enthusiast community call these flat rides. This is a drop tower manufactured by S&S Worldwide and opened at Fiesta Texas in 1999, along with 13 other rides that year as part of the park's huge $30 million expansion. This was the first time this ride combined an upward launch and a downward turbo drop. When getting on this ride, there is a seatbelt that goes across your waist from left to right, and that goes under the armrest. Then you pull down the over-the-shoulder restraints and buckle that in the middle. If everyone pays attention to the ride operators and gets buckled in quickly, that will help keep those wait times down. You are very secure on this ride, and there are redundant safety systems built in to ensure that. But don't let that fool you. This ride will definitely make you scream. This drop tower is 205 feet tall at the tippy top, but riders only go up about 175 feet. I'm not sure how fast the upwards launch is, but the turbo drop can reach speeds up to 50 miles an hour. I used to not like drop towers that much, but I've been forcing myself to ride them a lot this season. This is my 13th ride on Scream, and now I'm really starting to like drop towers. So let's listen in to some onboard audio and enjoy the ride.
Then Splashing Tower speed. Are you guys ready for this 200-foot drop?
Yes!
Yes?
Yes!
Alright guys, do you want to count down or just go straight up in the air?
Count down! Sometimes they count down from 5 and go on like 4.
Alright guys, I'm going to ask y'all for a quick favor. Make sure you keep your hands up. Hands up. Put both hands up guys, hands up. Everyone put their hands up. In 3, 2.
Oh! Yeah. That's so much fun! Oh, I'm floating. There we go. Such a good view up here at the top. You can see clear over the whole park. Hustler's going. Superman is testing. Diabolical is testing. You can see every ride from up here. You gotta turn the car. Oh. The anticipation before the drop. Oh my god. Oh, that got me. That's what I'm talking about. That'll get the blood pumping.
Welcome back.
How do they know you're having fun if you don't swing your legs?
You your shoulder restraint, then you can exit towards me.
You did it!
Every day here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas.
Woo!
And don't forget to check out the Batman.
Nope, not that one.
In Rockville.
Once you get down here closer to the ground, you can start unbuckling your seatbelts. And then your restraints are up. Now we're good.